Welcome to Subramani. I'm going to talk about volatility, not a word which many fund managers like or investors definitely detest. So, are you worried about volatility? Okay, let me just talk about what is volatility. Volatility is not when the market goes up. That time everybody is happy because they think they're very smart. They bought something which has gone up. They bought Vedanta at 90 rupees. Today it is 320 rupees or whatever, thereabouts. And it's great fun to be there. So that is not the problem. The problem is when Vedanta comes down from 340 to 270. People feel, oh my God, what is happening? Is the steel cycle over? What should I do? Right? So volatility is when the market comes down. Volatility when the market goes up, everybody is happy. So why should you worry so much about market coming down or what we call volatility? It is because the mind is likely to panic and make you do some amazingly stupid things, right? So what is the cause of this volatility? One does not really know. It could be the Fed threatening to increase rates. It could be the RBI wanting to increase rates. It could be generally that people are sick and tired of certain industries and not, for example, the coming of the Ola scooter. Is it a threat to Bajaj Auto or is it a threat to Honda Motors? I don't know. Is it a threat to Hero? I really don't know. But people will now start discounting and say, oh my God, now the two-wheeler industry is going to change. It's going to be very difficult for the conventional guys to be surviving. Well, I don't know what was going to happen. Predicting, especially about the future, seems to be very risky. But yeah, it could be the China story, could be the India story, could be the UP election, could be the Fed increasing rates, could be anything, why the market is going up or going down. Right now, let us worry about the market going down because that seems to be worrying people and saying, should I get out of small cap and get into large cap? Should I get out of large cap and get into cash? Should I move to higher quality debt? How will rising interest rates impact my portfolio? These are all some of the questions that I keep getting asked. I think it's very simple. To handle volatility, you need to understand certain things. One, during good times and rising times, you think you have a very high risk tolerance. Find out your ability to take risk, your need to take risk, and your willingness to take risk, right? All of them have to coincide for risk taking. If that is not there, maybe you should move from more volatile asset classes to less volatile asset classes. Like you may move from a small cap fund to a mid cap fund, or some small and mid cap fund to a large fund. So that could be one movement that you could do. You could actually, if you're in a lot of equity, you could sell off some equity and move into cash. You could move into some debt funds like an ultra short or something, even with a slightly higher duration. But remember, when you move into very long duration, then you again take a risk. If you move into long-term gilt, you again take the risk. If interest rates go up, that portfolio will fall down much faster. So understand those things. Second, see how much of stability you have in your main job. Is your job very secure and you cannot lose it, kind of a thing, and the company is a big one which will keep you for the next 5, 7, 10 years, then don't bother too much about the cash flow coming from that side. That is going to come constantly. That's not an issue. So having eliminated that, find out what you've seen what is your risk tolerance, then go and see whether it is really that bad. Because if you look at past data, immediate data looks like this, but a longer term data might look like this, right? So it is going up, so it should not be a problem. So look at that. Third, look at for what time frame are you investing. If you have 10 years, 15 years, 20 years for requiring that money, don't bother about short-term volatility. Short-term volatility will always be there. A 10% fall in the market will always be there, maybe 2-3 times in a year, right? And 30-40% fall once in 5-7 years or 10 years is a given. Definitely over 10 years, it's a given. Right? Something happens. There is no way how you can know whether that will happen or not happen. The COVID first wave happened. The COVID third wave can happen. We have no clue about all that. So markets can go up, markets can go down, but we are very scared when it goes down. We think we should keep protecting our profits as if some such concept is possible. Don't do any of those things. Just relax. Be willing to say, I will continue my SIP, whether into mutual funds or whether into index or whether into an ETF, whatever. So just keep doing that, lage raho, and this too shall pass. But yes, market is definitely going through troubled times. Market will be volatile. You have to learn how to manage it. Thank you.